Welcome back to another episode with Life with Lisa. Okay, I just played around, but hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Life with Lisa. And right now, I'm about to go eat some pilau. If you guys don't know what pilau is, this is pilau. Right? So that is pilau. I gotta eat pilau, and then I have no idea what this video is going to be about, so I will definitely be back. Okay, so these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my chicken Alfredo. I have evaporated milk. You could use full cream milk if you want. This is the Eve spaghetti brand. I have cooking oil. You can use whatever you want or whatever you have. I have some seasoning here, the oregano and the complete seasoning. I also have some salt. I have two types of cheese. I have the mild cheddar cheese and I have the mozzarella cheese. I have some butter here and I have my chicken breast. I just have plate there for when I grate my cheese, and I have a spoon, my thumb and a whisk when making my sauce. Over here I have 3 containers that I will be using. I have this is what I will be using to do the chicken breast in. I'm going to use this to do the spaghetti, and I'm going to make my Alfredo sauce in this pot. So now the oil, I put a variety of oil. I think I put too much, but I don't care. A variety of oil in the frying pan, and I put 3 cups of water in my pot. So now I'm going to put a little bit of this salt using my spoon to cook my spaghetti. That should be enough. I broke my spaghetti into halves so it will be more servings, and I'm just going to put that in. And then I'm gonna stir it up with my tongue to make sure everything is in the hot water. And then now that my oil is hot, I'm going for the chicken breast. We are going to let the chicken breast cook for at least until it's tender. I don't know the temperature. I don't really do the temperature thing, so whenever I think it's finished, it's finished. I was planning on roasting it, but I don't want much of the juices to come out, so we're going to fry it. And our macaroni is cooking here, so now we're going to start with our sauce. So this is actually how the chicken breast is looking so far. It's on low heat. I'm doing it on low heat so that everything could get cooked. My butter is here, melting, and my noodles is nearly done in the next, say, 3 minutes or so. Now I'm adding my flour to my butter. 1 spoonful and another. it is on low heat. So we're just going to mix this until it kind of creams out. So now I'm going to add my milk, and this is how it is supposed to look. If you take your hand by your own wrist, press it, it's going to be soft and they are both going to be combined well. Now we're going to strain our milk, and remember your fire is on low heat. If you feel like, you can also remove your pan so that the heat won't come up on your hand with the milk. That's all the milk, that's all we'll be using for now. More than half. Now I will be going back in with my whisk, and I'll be whisking these together on the same low heat. I will be adding a little bit of water to this. You don't have to do it, but I am going to add a little bit of water just to stretch it. But you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm just going to mix this until it is well combined. This is the consistency we want. We don't want much lumps into this. Remember, it is milk, so you gotta always keep stirring it and make sure your heat is always on low. Now we're going to add some oregano to this to just give it a nice color, and we're going to add a little bit of our complete seasoning. I have some complete seasoning already here open, so I won't be opening that one. So I'm going to add a little bit for taste. As you can see here, my macaroni has been finished, therefore I took it off because I don't want it to be on the fire. Nevertheless, it will be good still. So I've already added the oregano and the complete seasoning to this for some taste. Now at this point, I'm going to slowly add my cheese that I have grated. So I'm going to add cheese slowly, and we're going to mix it in. Cheese, the better, right? Now I'm going to add the other type of cheese. Remember I told you guys there was 2 types of cheese, so I'm adding both types of cheese into here. Remember your fire should be extra low. Cheese. I'm going to try to stir this in as well as possible. This is basically how it looks. I've turned off my heat to know when your sauce is finished. When you do this, it takes a while to come back together. So basically that is how you know your sauce is finished. If you think your sauce is a little too thick, you could either add some water or some milk, but basically turn off your fire when adding your cheese so that your sauce won't become too thick. But this is how it should be. See that? Takes a while to come back together. Now I'm going to add my spaghetti into my sauce. I have some more over here, so I'm going to add it all into my sauce at once. You kind of look at that, but you might have to switch pots. But now we're going to take our tongue and we're going to mix it all up together. basically I'm mixing it as good as I can to make sure that every strip of macaroni spaghetti gets the sauce. Look at that. See the heat? Look at that. Now we're checking on our chicken breast. I want it to be golden brown as much as possible, but it's kind of awkward doing it on the stove. But I just flipped it and this is how it looks. It can choke through, but the other side has to be done as well, so I'm waiting on that. Guess what? I did that, boo! If you guys, if you guys do recreate this, make sure you tag me in your post. My social medias are at fakerasta_ on Instagram. Make sure you DM me there. I will respond. Leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my page for more cooking videos. Make sure you leave a comment and subscribe. Without further ado, I love you guys and I love food. Bye.